My name is Nigel Greenwood. I'm founder and CEO of Turbine MachineGenes, which is the latest of a little ecosystem of tech startups that I've set up over the years. We're developing an entirely new form of artificial intelligence. We're rendering the current gold standard, namely neural networks, obsolete for a class of industrially important problems. Expertise is a very important one, so having UniQuest to draw on when we're negotiating with some very big industrial players has been very, very helpful. And so we've had external lawyers giving us advice, but then when we need to know what the market is for particularly sort of esoteric transactions in AI, UniQuest has been helpful at giving us some data. The other is credibility, because a key thing that enabled us to survive is we got early stage investors in, and we've had a far better experience actually dealing with individual investors after having our credibility established by iLab, rather than going out to more formal networks of investors, which we've found difficult to work with in the past. No, absolutely do it. It's an important piece of the jigsaw puzzle. It's not the only piece. You need to do other things as well. But certainly it's a very useful way of building collaborations. And the other useful thing about it is it reminds you that you're not alone. I mean, there is a positively bipolar aspect to being a CEO founder of a tech company. You know, some days you're on top of the world and some days it's all over. And the fact is, if you're in a community of other people doing the same thing, then you realize you're not Robinson Crusoe, and you realize that everything can be survived. And dealing with what tend to be harder tech entities in iLab is reassuring, whereas if everyone else is building an app and you're the only one doing hard technology, it can be awfully lonely. So it's actually great seeing a whole lot of different people working in hard technology and going through their own particular swings and roundabouts on the journey to build a viable startup. Well, the really big thing is that I'm team leader of the MachineGenes team. You see, the platform AI technology we've dubbed MachineGenes. And there's the Artificial Intelligence XPrize, the AI XPrize. And by 2020, the global challenge is to build or transform AI in some respect. And there's a total prize money of $5 million US. So it's a bigger pot than, say, the Nobel Prize. And there are over 600 teams that have thrown their hats in the ring after international peer review by renowned experts in AI. That got whittled down to 147. We're one of the 147. And whereas everyone else is trying to make neural networks work better, we're hopefully demonstrating that it's obsolete and it's time to move on to the next big thing, which, by the way, looks nothing like neural networks.